Hello, I am Sangram Babri from Maharashtra, India. I am 22 years old. My height is about 182 centimeter and my weight is 65 kg. I am the agriculture student. I am pursuing the degree from College of Agriculture Business Management, Loni. I have been working in my own dairy farm since childhood, but here usually we do not use the modern technology. So in the future, I want to develop my own dairy farm by using the modern technology. And to learn this modern technology, I want to go Denmark. This technology provides me an opportunity to enhance my practical skill in dairy farming, and it is very crucial for my future goals. Thank you.